And just for Kukudam, you know, a prophet Telvin Sowah, any prophet Rojah City Ministry, Omo Abedin Komo, Afachama Wontumi 20 years jail sentence. Na a dead anyone now, no dance Oma or action. No much say, won't forget, moon today, 20 years in the Enko baby. Chama Wontumi is coming home. Oma Abed drop a very shocking prophecy, but a woman prophecy, no, it is in line. I Penyah block me, that mess was any demo. Obe like a video, no that one, plus subscribe button, some back click notification icon of latest update. Now bet you that we're doing the amendment. Comment section. Obaswa. No watch for any biashwe. I last year no more honomo. And the chama Wontumi echo PMO ewo Accra High Court. Ya train read ni court. Then you know summer boy concession the man, a lazy man no. Any line said the man say obetimi am mine as a small scale miner no. The concession who say galamsey activity be air cost ewo honomo. I say one Henry Okum bi na that Henry Okro chirem say e chama Wontumi ene man no oral right just say enye written e oral verbal o man to me say onko tu gala e wa asase so e ma eno enam so de chama Wontumi ekopie mu e Accra High Court enya no nko a now there was an Exim Bank 30 million Ghana cedis money fraud be also kind of case no say na chama Wontumi account e do so pa enam so me de kopie mu Accra High Court na say omo e bonus sem ne ba at first ye kwache no ene ye granting the bail. It is akwachi ni bill ni a remand no na if you are granting the bill na if now the abeyes court ana ye hia na invite no aba court sa no okofie court ebrika no okọ sa na etuna sem na sheda sa no mo from 2025 na so ekodru October mu so it was on 30th October 2025 ana Prophet Rojah ekopie mu on Oniamache with Captain Konyi Smart na ho no ana akwaka nsem fa chama Wontumi court na da bia wo di wa trentwe ho waka say da bi se chama Wontumi amanani ana ho no ahwe ni ma bi ya otwini muten obekwa afiase na ade a wo hu eye 15 no hu number 15 no chama Wontumi ye be sentence to 15 years imprisonment
ade bi afa chama Wontumi ho ma uzi atwere number 15 Ghana for amon paya man e be jele ni 15 years 15 years I'm saying it on TV yeah. Na dofo mo mpaye man Wontumi na dofo e mo mpaye man because my say is all over the news.
What was this here?
I am seeing it. Say actually number 15 na be the TV so say ajele Wontumi 15 years to anyere na mo mpaye
na obi a etwen say ne asem no sen e de besiako na we say mo tena asem so acham Wontumi case na na invite na ba court na ya breaki but edu de bon ma as chama Wontumi APF court na se nanim aya se sun sire bi as when obesu as asem no ebu bon ne ba na omu e ma de vim oh chama ti wanim sire emremu na nyame wo ho no mo na ye ma nu avim but ekodru 20th July 2026 you know ano temu for Penyah ewo Accra High Court wonom ese there be so hwe niema ye de aba the available evidence edanim ani bibia chama Wontumi edifo wodifo enti no otemu for Penyah no etwa emfinhia no aduonu ede ma chama Wontumi se one aban enkokonte ewa fiase 20 years a adwumaden esaka ho bi ema we ebe edaja on the internet ema ye de chama Wontumi akopiem ewo ensawo ma isi ande was start the sentence no ema even cry no MP4 eba anan ekosra no ewo ho no mo kwansima ana ne legal team make say there be say mo hese de atemu no esikwa famra kwanso MP4 din kan drop his statement on make say a travesty of justice adina otemu afo na ye no emwa Ghana ye democracy ye judicial system no omu gu nanimu ase it was totally a travesty of justice famra kwanso there wasn't any proper evidence a kire say de na Henry Okum kafa chama Wontumi won no kure but otemu afo eje Henry Okum na onunu mom na eye galamsey wasase so no omu jai onunu mom all because onna be di adanse say eye chama Wontumi na man the kwan say onko to that gala no and here the case the onunu to gala no de ye jai free but the onunu ma permit ana yakwacha ne gala de obo de ono no ma pebet ne ageli no but de no was as to gala yakopi ono no so de yaja no amane ko enti manori for press conference na omu demand justice ema the legal team kra now no omu afile appeal oba ko court of appeal akọ make appealment as ye twen de ebekọ akosie na eguso wa twen yam no and was a prophet Rojah any Telvin Sowah omu abedin komo prophet ekopie mu enra on Angel TV so na hono ene ne omu ne twetwe nko na commercial sell no on say prophet Rojah you be amuta aka say ono no we doomsday prophet so ono no bi na no a wo hu ewuo accident we bewu atwenchen besi ha ase enu nkwa ne nsem a okan be go be kai kra na Ghana forces omu accident nkonya no enkinkenso no there was a time obeka nsem for won say opeso Ghana soldier panyini e wo Ghana ha no mo oni ne bedin komo bi kwansima na accident ne ba ye senkinkenso briti for mu twam no makonya accident say ebuche so no oya doomsday prophet e ho no and what say there be no onye doomsday prophet na say anansem no etie
minim ne ntia ase mo se mo pension awurade peso ye na ade dia mintia because ye niam dadada wo senka yakeka se obeka se takwa kuru no hange ho o enye adifo na wo se o ka che se takwa kuru no hange ho
good
o muri di kuru na se nye ne wo ko mu dia o takwa kuru
I made a video be or 24 so my name Pushimamo na mo found to mo Facebook no so na mo hwe I think say in your video na ne am penifo bi na send free takwa ba bi e fra boss yes I'm say run na de ni see until yes until me maju I
na me na mdo fa ha kure
me nim say bia video no say ye no kure na nya no kure ba wutie voice na wo na mo say ho ya boss
takwa boss
yes o main road no ba bia bu ogum gidigidi pa
busy town
ba me nim say ye no kure
e de na okuhu takwa kuru
Ali adi o mo ne say once me dey asem ne be two dwan people were thinking about physical pillars to say be a yes down na the kure no that is what people were thinking about. But me menim penifo shia kokwa mu amen kamu nsem ba metimi aka ne say enkomo ayekodi ye ni nyina was spiritual. It was all about the spiritual aspect of Krono, the god of the land, and I said the forces of the land, and I said the spirit na e kura Krono and I made them no mokodi ho nkomo eti sanity ba yishia mo ye chire mo nyama ba akomienu miensa penimu ba akokra so just say prophet Rojah send you on awurade na mo so de ba am se da bi se be Krono mo wa so fo mo wa komfo mo malam fo eno no de maka ne ye empanifo nko eho abisa mo wi a mo ntu de maka no ho anam se bi so mo ayo so mo nye yo so mo be yo so mo nye de e wonya mensem kakra metimi aka
takwa nso for de
nale
from takwa na akwai
ena nkomane call ya akonwa anya akofa kantanka owu ya na ye no mu ya enra na if now there was a court injunction but still adwasafo obabese okura be matuo ono ejina ni 2 months eme ye just to park nua stubborn academy ya do be against stubborn academy ereso kra no prophet Rojah esa kansen bi ever kantanka enyi ni adade na call ya no or can we for say there was a change in the atmosphere, there was a change in the sky. I said o chire mu ni esichire
na upia no ahwewiem na wo hu se enzemo aye kan to ho no enye ba me kan me se da o mbi so ma adwi bi so mbe ba pa na yie na wiem betai di ewiem betai di minim the number of days of the year and I don't know say na nko I think say 3 days or so bibisa court asem de obi ntime nka bi because
court pro bua wi etime ka akira asem
nti wonya mu awi na wabu awi
so de wato asem mo nkoye 10 days ba wo ba na ye
nti na eti duru ono na nim de nti bia court kan ya wo ye ti da chi bia mzenje de oba betwam bibisa de nti a court kan no ye because obi a wo ye na ade bia wo ne botaye or the air ba me de enye court de na America ma de America ne say radin fa papa ne kra ensie esan say wa bobra and wa hwemba wa hwebusua wa hwedom radia fa no so amanfa so de bebre aba wa Ghana enti ba bia omo ye ni bia no mechia obia na machia emanyina mechia busua nyina na masere Awurade Nyankopɔn sɛ ɔmfa n'abasa nto asafo no so ɛno na meyɛhia me Awurade mfa ne nsa nto asɔre ne so ɛsiane sɛ sɛ ɔsɔfopani firi mu a it takes 2 or 5% churches and it me surviving. My concentration is not about the family. The concentration is not about the ma. The concentration yes, Radim for buying born to our sorry nation. Is as a boo I will need to Christ as a funim. I don't know how could feel more for us. I be pimone. Or Jisofu be a debana sorry I walk on and went to Minjai. And Tia Radim more a sorry no more by. Abushane mane deɛ ayɛ te sɛ ɛsɛn ne kɛtrɛma sɛbe ɔmo de huru so a menim sɛ ɛyɛ dan a ebitwa asomdwie nso ɛbɛbɛm ɛno nti baabi ɔmo wo biara mekyia wɔn na mesrɛ Awurade Nyankopɔn ɛde ɛma wɔn na mesrɛ Awurade banbɔ de to asafo no so na sɛ bi a mentimi ho ase bi ayi ne ti wɔ baabi a Awurade ɛmmoa na asomdwie ɛmmla na kyɛ sɛ abusua no bibia ɛntimi ɛnwie pɛyɔ na omo odomni adanse die enye obi adia nti baabi e ma no wo nyina mechia omo nsori ma nyina mechia omo na masere Awurade se de ye kan dia no onfa ye papa no ensie wo na komam na modern obebo wa asase so no omwa na nachi ankopon fa na ho nta echi na nachi ni enyina na nachi anye basa de mekana na
ediu ose baabi a Chama Wontumi second wife will be ano. 20 years no enye oba na nwa.
Na nkomade kware no. E de din be see Chama Wontumi ni jail sentence na owo no. The 20 years imprisonment na oda no. Ye busa no question be fa say a prophet. Obi no hu wiase a. Chama Wontumi what dey nyina chairman. Say ono no. Ye dey na afa ho. O be fie. Another 20 years in the twa na wo twa. Na ho no ana odifo ebie na num. Na we ene nsem a odifo e kan
chiwe na ne nansa so sorry
o za ekusi aga
o eno de minti men kan sa sabe o my number wom but the American say about to say the yes we na ne nansa so no sorry sana mekano na mempire me boy say ye nyina ye bompa say Awurade enya adum na Chama Wontumi MP. But me before some boss empire, the bomb pass or Mukuria body, Umkuria banchi, the Kuria punchy. The court a money bail of 5,000 Ghana cedis. The money bail of 10,000 Ghana cedis. Now where nyano? As you will be a friend of presidential pardon. Say my penny at the side and be a Jumadia. Now coming semester one pie bokon as to say, Mobrawa for now. Omasemunya asembiana oni kan paden wo na yinjai wo musanse angel nipa ne bebre wa fiase angel ali boafo ne kamafo bi no manyo bi kura nya ska amfa lawyer ye onsem ni bi wo no mo a ejiri so mampani on say President Mahama yobi ali ma me for videos na me mona baso e bia President Mahama obi a me chia no na masere Awurade Nyankopɔn so e de ama one na adwuma yefo nyina that day. But that day was 20th July and he was sentenced 20 years. Mean chile chile mu afidie so. Emma will be a origin who this obey Jumana and fan simple. Mean chile chile mu afidie. The day was 20th.
Yeah,
it was 2200726. Sadino.
And your man 20s.
Wow, 10 numbers. Or those that understand numbers. Omo 10 numbers aseno. What dey bisa obi o 10 numbers aseno say me sa nyame adum ya trust ai ho no. Omo 10 numbers aseno. That the day was 20th. The month was July, which is 7. The year was 26. And the year is 26. So it's 20/07/26. So 26 plus 20 bema 46. 46 now the 7 above the count. Bema say 46 plus 7. Bema say 53. So bema 53. It more 10 numbers aseno. Ebe use they will do away with the 50 and they will use the number 3. Will be your 10 numbers as an abet.
On the 50s more.
I say
on the 50s. On the 50s. Either 5055.
Ali since you were ready, they are doing it. As you were ready, they are doing it. I met me. I work here at the Ebu of video so simple mathematics. This time I'm being careful. 1 + 1 yeah is trying to screw me yeah. Numbers yeah make it kabumi. Numbers yeah kikabumi. 20/07/26. The 20th July 2026. Enti any July na yeah brofokasa ni film. Na fan numbers ni weki. Ye wo sorry ene nkwa. Ba me masma me kan say sa na eko ne mmoma mpanini kan hu wo mo a omo form ne mobo. You could be a body, you could be a banchi. The your money bill 5,000, 2,000, 10,000, 20,000. You're wearing ya. They're not summoning ya summon. Mampanini kind who omomobo, not on padding woman. We are the Akawina Minsem.
I wish I made a much metebe.
Now, audio for Cassaria, young for cancer, said yes, who ye, none and none sounds or sorry, yano. Sana chamount me, but one can't quite or take him got crazy, but or your calculation. But I had the arm white as 7 said 3 net demono was or your calculation, just was 3 minus 50. Next ever 33 no. Is it 3 months? Is it 3 weeks? Is it 3 years? One header and chilemu but all the man are phoning him before say one calculation and far. Me we are one now when you go book road you go PMO interview be an N1 national. Prophet Telvin Sowah air granted. All those question about Chama Wontumi. Now, where's in someone or kind?
Yen hwede EBC Prof yemro man Ghana museni akwadi kaka no o man Ghana elections nano ye da sori ya ye nya nti ye se ya enua Chama Wontumi court a sentence no say onko dem 20 years.
All right.
Chama Wontumi last me bisa ne ho asem one country and fact Chama Wontumi ho and then so on country na Prof.
And the Bible said on the 3rd day Jesus resurrected. I've thrown a very huge code. I'm breaking it down. Break it down.
On the 3rd day
Jesus resurrected.
Hey.
I say yes, we only need to share a tomb. On the 3rd day, and our buff will be free, so be a tomb. And I used to pay even the new nyamu. So I mean,
on the 3rd day,
Jesus resurrected.
Let's say one day be I 10 years and
I didn't say that.
On the 3rd day.
I live, but I did a court for the Yaman.
And ye because I was saying for on the 3rd day.
Jesus resurrected. Now, my karma I've left it. Somebody may misunderstand it. I saw on the 3rd day, I quoted the Bible verse. The people that are sitting there and knows what I'm saying, they will just understand. Those that do not know will never know. They will just create their own idea about it. Yeah.
On the 3rd day, Jesus resurrected.
Then the next school, we have to break it within like a couple of days.
Prof, breaking it down, kakra, where the more do. Time to me, Prof. Okay, 2028, no. Not with or two abani biana.
I don't have utterance for that. I don't have utterance, not at all.
Chama Wontumi benya presidential pardon.
I don't have utterance. That's the honor make it on the third day. Jesus resurrected. He died, they put him on the tomb, the security was around the tomb, but on the third day, an angel came from heaven, moved the stone from the tomb, Jesus resurrected. Hosanna.
I was here for on the third day. Na se no ne ada or under two cases no so ebobo bawo. You can't in a third day na Prof.
On the third day, Jesus resurrected. Me utterance no boa nesu baby asuna nasu me pia kra enko as a traffic no obi wo wedim okwa enko. It's not possible.
Also, ma 3 days frame nabi said ye prophet Rojah Emma 3 days be no sana television also ma 3 days. So 3 days no. Yeah, 3 days be ya. Is it 1 day is to 10 years, or is it 1 day is to 1 year, or is it 1 day is to 1 month? 3 days be ya. Mo money Bible, mo na money calculations no. Mo calculate my mo fa mmere ne na ne ada de calculations no emaye. Na ye hu 3 days no mo ka no. Ne etie ankasa. But the change as chama won to 20 years they forget. O ntwa 20 years. Utie enkomsha edikuku da mienu dia ba change chama won to o ntwa 20 years. The 9 sequence wa obefi ankasa. Obeta chere wa adwene e dia ma me 3 years no e how many months and how many years. Bubumu na fa my comment section ho na mo. Akra.